Leave a gigantic like slab going.
You just spit into my eye. I feel like Paris is gonna be laughing in the back the whole time. She'd rather.
She's having me do her face. As in makeup. And yeah. What do I start with? What is the base?
These? Yeah.
Revlon. Call me out again.
Don't pump too.
It looks like poo.
Now, would you rather dab it with the beauty?
It goes all over.
Mm-hmm.
You look like a clown.
You can use them.
Oh no.
You can wipe it off.
You got a pimple. 2 pimples. On the side of your nose. This is what takes you an hour. This takes me like 20 minutes at most.
Mm-hmm.
Did I get enough? She's scared. Are they all the same color?
They're similar.
Bubblegum, bubblegum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're gone. Bubblegum, bubblegum in a dish. How? Where do I apply this? To where acne is? You want to draw a V?
Under the eyes.
You want me to make it look like an avatar or what? Oh, you're gonna go avatar. And you can live in the jungle. Stop laughing. Sorry. Is this supposed to be a dab or a mix?
Dab. Like to cover the bags.
Alright, keep looking up and close.
And you can also get it on my eyelid.
And
You can bronze my face.
Hula benefit.
I see your chest hair.
Thank you.
You know.
The temple.
We can't.
This is the temple, right?
Yes. Do you know what it's by? Who it's by?
Thanks. Cheeks. This is not an art. I'm laughing, Almanac. I can see the difference. Not really, no.
Okay. So now you can set my face.
It's already there. Looks like
Cocaine.
vanilla cake powder.
Oh, that too.
Cocaine is white.
And you can take the big fluffy brush.
Okay. What if I miss? What if I had ADHD and just like, like Cole? I don't know what that did. Okay.
Get some more. Why does everybody make the same face? The brush cleans it. The brush cleans it.
What brush? This brush?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me!
AJ.
Stop!
Smell it.
Wow! Where does this go though?
My eyelids. This is eyeshadow.
Oh, top. No, I don't know why you would let me do this. You're just wasting makeup. Don't open. Clothes may compare. Disperse. It's good. Oh, nice, nice.
It's not gonna spill, idiot.
How you know that? Don't. How do
Yes. I already missed.
I'm gonna hold on to pencil. You know it's getting all on my fingers.
You can wash it.
How far in does this need to go?
It's up to you. Well, I guess it's going all the way.
Oh my god! Pennywise looks better.
It was in this moment. Hold on. Wipe your fingers before you get it on your clothes. I'll edit that out. AJ used to sleep with my mom when he was little. And
Keep talking, I'll make you look worse.
alright, I'll stop. Oh shit. Yeah, no, you fucked up. I felt that. I felt that.
Look.
Mm.
It was supposed to go up here?
No.
Because I did it right here.
Yeah, that's where it goes.
He said, I have ears like a hawk. No way that's your ringtone.
It's not, I clicked on.
Always supposed to go back.
No, it's not. Yeah, that way.
I can't even.
No, I'm scared. I'll do it. Please don't hurt me. Please go. ¿Tú sí? ¿Qué sale, Leo?
14.
Oh, good job. Those are all the lip colors. The one on top is a red. AJ.
I can fix that.
AJ.
Give me-
AJ.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. You have like 9 colors of the same damn stick. Oh, I.
It's a MAC lipstick. Please don't mess it up.
Oh, this one's icy.
lipstick on your nose.
Okay, yo continue. Glow Sun Dipped Kit by Anesthetic Beverly Hills.
Anesthetic Beverly Hills. My favorite.
My favorite.
No, it's Anastasia.
Okay, close enough.
Hey,
That's what you did. That's what you did to yourself when you clipped it.
This liner, if it wasn't patchy, I'm not mad. Zoom into this.
I'm zoomed.
Like, I'm not mad.
Close your eyes.
Don't look at this one. Just like,
Like, comment, subscribe. Everyone hush. Everyone be quiet.
Hear about it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm walking up your driveway about it.
Okay, goodbye.